Ministry of Home Affairs ki pautak matungina Government of Manipur ki initiative makada Manipur Fire Service Department Government of Manipur na sinduna Numit humni chupna pangthokadouba mangarak suba Basic Fire&Life Safety Training ki thwram ngasi polo ground manakta leiba Fire Service ki headquarter da pangthokhre thwram aduda matau karamna hospital amari nursing home singda Maihau langpok tholakpa matamda asoi angam yaudana thengnagani haibagi pandamda pangthokhibani thawram aduga mari leinana RIMS ki director Professor G Sunil Kumar Sharma Joint Secretary Home Dr Mayengbam Beto Singh Directorate of Health Service Manipur ki Dr Champo Gulmai amadi Fire Service ki Director L Nabachandra Singh na athoiba mitunglen Singh oina saruk yaki
Fire safety measures in moy the labor have always check the water Koi in the Kali. Aduga Mokoit, staff Singushu wasn't trained over the Kali. Aduna, when I was the MS of the scam guy COVID say hospital, under the 200 bedded facility COVID Gidamak, same evening, Asisida fire alarm sitameva. Suppose in one room, if there's a smoke or if there's some kind of say fire spark there and all, then there will be a sound alarm in one place. Then the person who is operating the thing, he or she will know where the fire is breaking out.